Hello friends, is your car showing a check engine light, losing power, or consuming more fuel than usual? If you've scanned your vehicle and found P0422, don't ignore it. This code is related to the catalytic converter efficiency, which is essential for reducing emissions. If left unfixed, it can lead to poor fuel economy, sluggish acceleration, and failed emissions tests. In this video, I'll explain what P0422 means, its symptoms, exact sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. The P0422 error code stands for main catalyst efficiency below threshold, bank 1. Your vehicle's catalytic converter plays a crucial role in reducing harmful exhaust emissions. The oxygen sensors monitor how efficiently the catalytic converter is working. If the downstream oxygen sensor detects that the catalytic converter is not reducing emissions effectively, the ECU triggers P0422. Common symptoms of P0422 include the check engine light turning on, decreased fuel efficiency, sluggish acceleration, a rotten egg smell from the exhaust, and a failed emissions test. If you're experiencing these issues, let's locate the key components in your vehicle. Catalytic converter located in the exhaust system between the exhaust manifold and the muffler. Upstream or pre-cat oxygen sensor found before the catalytic converter, usually in the exhaust manifold or downpipe. Downstream or post-cat oxygen sensor found after the catalytic converter monitoring its efficiency. The exhaust manifold is, well, connected to the engine's exhaust outlet and the catalytic converter. Here's a tip. The exact location may vary depending on your car's make and model, so definitely check your service manual for precise details. Now let's talk about the common causes of the P0422 error code. Failing catalytic converter. Over time, the catalytic converter can become clogged or damaged, reducing its efficiency. Faulty oxygen sensors. A malfunctioning upstream or downstream oxygen sensor can send incorrect data to the ECU. Exhaust leaks. Any leaks in the exhaust system before the catalytic converter can affect sensor readings. Fuel mixture problems. A rich or lean air-fuel mixture can cause excessive wear on the catalytic converter. Oil or coolant contamination. Leaking oil or coolant can damage the catalytic converter, leading to inefficient operation. How to fix P0422. Okay, so first things first. Step 1. Use an OBD-II scanner to confirm the P0422 code and check for any additional codes that might be lurking around. Alright, moving on to step 2. Inspect the oxygen sensors for any signs of carbon buildup or a slow response, and, replace them if necessary. Finally, step 3. Check the catalytic converter for any physical damage, clogging, or signs of overheating. It's crucial to make sure it's in good shape. Step 4. Inspect the exhaust system for leaks and repair any damaged gaskets or pipes. Step 5. Test the fuel injectors and MAF sensor to ensure the correct air-fuel ratio. Okay, step 6. Clear the error code using an OBD-II scanner and take the car for a test drive. The P0422 error code can cause reduced engine performance, poor fuel economy, and emissions failures. If your car has this issue, check the catalytic converter oxygen sensors and exhaust system to ensure proper operation. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0126, insufficient coolant temperature for stable operation, and P0127, intake air temperature too high. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.